Your app is free, right?
Oh, I leave quite an impression. 5 feet.
Got a guy for that. First, last name, standing in that July rain, selling me. I'll never be 23 with anyone but you.
If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Frequent. Tornado warning for the following county: Lake, Florida. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Lake County in east central Florida until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles southwest of Lake Louisa, or 12 miles south of Groveland, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Lake County. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Serving Daytona Beach and vicinity, this is NOAA Weather Radio Station.
Closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Orange County in east central Florida, northeastern Osceola County in east central Florida, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Harmony, or 7 miles north of Holapa, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, Deer Park, Alligator Lake, Harmony, and Pine Grove. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Marine weather statement for the following coastal waters from Flagler Beach to the Horse. Radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roof. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Flagler Beach to Volusia, Brevard County, line 0 to 20 nautical miles, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over New Smyrna Beach, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots, or greater. Source: radar. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include New Smyrna Beach Airport, Edgewater, Ponce Inlet, and Bethune Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Force Station and Kennedy Space Center. The restricted areas will be active. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Brevard County in East Central Florida, Southeastern Orange County in East Central Florida, Northeastern Osceola County in East Central Florida, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Merritt Island, Lone Cabbage Fish Camp, Space Coast Stadium, Canaveral Groves, and Rockledge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact East Central